Okay, so we are starting with a new book today. Okay, Helping Wild Animals. We are going to look for what in this story? Riley. Okay, text evidence. What for what? For the main idea. Okay. All right. So what did we do in whole group? Like how did we find, what sections did we try to find the main idea in the whole group yesterday? The sidebars, okay? So in this story, we're going to look for either sidebars or what else could we look at?
The captions.
You could look at the captions for key supporting details, but for the main idea, subheadings or headings. Very good, Skylar.
Because right here I see saving the sea otters.
Okay.
They're just so cute.
They are very cute.
I wish I had little things.
Okay, so what does this story not have that a lot of our stories normally have?
I have the problem right here. Like, yeah,
The glossary, vocabulary words.
The thing where it says like the pages.
Okay, what is that called?
Index.
Close. Danny? The table of contents. Very good. Okay, so we don't have that in here, which is kind of a strange thing that we don't have it in here, but we don't. So you guys are going to have to look through and find some subheadings or headings to figure out two main ideas. All right? So we are going to use these graphic organizers.
Isn't like the title kind of a main idea?
So the topic is going to be your subtitle, or your subheading or your heading. Okay? The main idea is going to be a what?
What's story about?
What the whole thing is about, but it's going to be in sentence form. Okay? It is, well, that's the whole story. But you need to look for the subheadings for each one in order to find a main idea to find two. Yes, sir.
It says target skills or sequencing of events. It says on page 16.
What do you, the target skill sequence, I understand, but our learning target is finding two or more main ideas along with the supporting details.
Do you need to?
You need two. Because you're looking for how many main ideas?
Two.
Two. So you need two topics and two main ideas, okay? So let's go ahead and look through the book a little bit. And the first thing we're going to do is find two subheadings that we want to focus on. And you're going to try to find the main idea from there. Okay, so go ahead and write that. So you're going to write, look, right up here it says main idea, like right on the top of that, you're going to write your topic. Then from there, we're going to find a sentence. Whose did I take? Yours?
My pencil thing, bro.
Okay, sorry about that. You need to. I know, I'm just mean.
I went away to grab my
What do you mean?
yeah. I went away to grab my pen, so I didn't know.
So right under main idea on the board box, that's where you're gonna put your topic, which is like your subhead. Okay? All right. So which two subheadings are you gonna use?
Why don't you check out
There's a lot going on in Alaska, isn't there? Earthquakes, saving the sea otters. Yes, you're gonna. Okay. So helping other sea animals would go right here, and then you're gonna look for a sentence, and that will go in the next one. Okay? All right. That'll work. You're going to put it right here in between because that's your topic. Okay? And then we need to find a sentence that goes under that that explains what that whole section is about.
Becoming a wildlife. This is the second one I'm doing.
Wildlife refuge. Very nice.
The next series that I did helping animals. My Nana works at a vet.
All right, so we have about 2 more minutes. Okay, before we have to wrap it up. And remember, we can continue to work on this on Monday in group because remember I'm not here tomorrow. You're happy that I'm not hanging around? That's a little rough.
Miss Blair, I picked these topics because this is helping sea animals and this is land.
Oh, that's good. So they kind of like have a connection, right? Kind of like an interaction, like from our last one.
So this is the other one, helping other sea animals.
Okay. All right. So now we need to find the main idea. So saving sea otters. Are you doing saving sea otters?
Saving sea otters.
Okay. So why don't you two work together to find a main idea? What are you working on? Helping land animals? Helping. Okay. So why don't you two work together to find helping land animals? Our main idea for helping land animals. What do you got over there, kiddo? Wildlife refuge. Okay, you can work with these three. What are you doing? Saving sea otters. Okay, so you four can work together to find the main idea for saving the sea otters. All right.
So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 people on team. Oh, there's so much. I think I found it.
All right.
So it says. I lost it.
Okay, you lost it. You found it and you lost it, just like that. Okay.
Yeah,
keep
okay.
looking. That's
Oh, I think the main thing is trying to help the animals. They're trying to help all the sea animals.
Okay, so you need a sentence that's going to describe that.
How to help sea
That's- Okay, so a sentence. Try to look for a sentence in that section. And remember, the section goes on to the next page.
The auto rescue group was made up of veterinarians, we could be like and marine. Yeah, so there's
Okay.
you need to show the otters
Say that one.
The other recipe is made up of wildlife. So scary. Just like you're swimming in your block. I mean, 2 homes. Is it 11:20?
Yeah, we're gonna do it.
Made up comes out of nowhere. Mediterranean wildlife rehab Alaska to and more injured
Hello, where are you?
in your backyard.
She told me so like the zoo by now.
I mean, I
Okay,
was
so
reading
saving the sea otters.
I went back to a wildlife
My turn. So they were the army was made up of volunteers from wildlife rehab and
otters were taken to the
special
rescue
permit
center.
yeah, the otter was
Say that one more time.
The sea otters were taken to the rescue
It
center.
is important for a
I
wildlife.
think that's a detail.
Their
Okay,
habitat,
so now we put it
the
on.
wildlife
You can put on details.
habitat to
Which
their
told me to find out.
knowledge has different types of
Okay,
wild animals.
so we need to stop here because we have to go to science. So, don't stress. We can work on this again when I see you on Monday for group, okay? So just make sure, now, do you want to keep your books and your papers? Or do you want me to keep your books and your papers? Whatever you say.
I don't feel like putting more stuff in my desk.
Able to administer physical therapy and
Elimination.
humans give animals the therapy they need to
I'm
able
gonna get that bug.
they need to be able to
Oh, okay.
to the
Skylar, are you keeping your book or am I
Sometimes this
taking it?
means training the animal to hunt.
Okay. Are you keeping your book or am I taking it? Am I holding it? Okay, okay, make sure they get your desk with me. Okay. Okay, everybody, we need to get ready for science. Remember, you need your water bottles and your lunch boxes and your laptops. Please do not forget your laptops.